Hello, welcome to this AUTOMY tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create positions and departments within the platform to better organize your users. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to maintain a clear and efficient structure within your team. Let's get started. Section 1, creating positions. First, let's take a look at how to create a position. This will allow you to assign specific roles to your users based on the functions they perform in your organization. Access the settings menu. In the left-hand menu, look for and select the settings section. Manage positions. Within the user management options, you'll find the positions option. Click on it. Here you'll see all the positions that have already been created on the platform. Create a new position. To add a new position, click the Add button. A form will open where you'll need to enter a name for the position and a brief description. Once you've filled in this information, click Add. And that's it. Your new position will be available to assign to users. Section 2, creating departments. Now that we know how to create positions, let's continue with the creation of departments. This option will allow you to organize your users into different departments or sections, making management easier. Access the settings menu. Just like with positions, go to the left-hand menu and select Settings. Manage departments. Within the user management section, look for the Departments option and click on it. Here you'll see a list of departments that have already been created within your organization. Create a new department. To add a new department, click on Add. You'll enter a name and a description that represents the function of that department. Click Add to confirm the creation of this new department. And that's it. You can now start organizing your users into the corresponding departments. With these simple steps, you can now create both positions and departments in AUTOMY to maintain a clear and efficient structure within your team. If you have any questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thanks for trusting AUTOMY.